Hi friends, in today's class we are going to discuss about coordination number. So how we can calculate the coordination number for PC, BCC and FCC unit cells. Let us see what is this coordination number. The sum of nearest or closest neighbors of an atom in a unit cell. That is called coordination number. The sum of nearest neighboring lattice points of a particular atom or lattice point in a unit cell, that is called coordination number. Now, so how we can derive the coordination number for three unit cells which are present in cubic crystal system, that are PC, FCC and BCC. So first one for PC. So PC or as a simple cubic or primitive cubic unit cell. So how we can calculate the coordination number for PC? So let us first draw the primitive cubic unit cell here. So this is primitive cubic unit cell. Here where the atoms are present are located. So the atoms are present at only corners. So these are the lattice points present at only corners. So 8 corners. So I want to calculate the coordination number of this. So what is the coordination number of this lattice point? Now let us calculate the sum of nearest neighbors. The sum of nearest neighbors for this lattice point here. So the sum of nearest neighbor for this one is, so what is the distance from here to here? It is A. From here to here, what is the distance? This distance. So this is the face diagonal. So this distance is root 2A. That is why you can say this is the nearest neighbors, the edge along the lattice point which are present along the edges. 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So these 3 are nearest neighbors. But a solid is the combination of 3D arrangement of many unit cells. Then take the above and beside unit cells. So we need to calculate the coordination number of this lattice point. So if you extend this one, so here one more your point will come, other unit cell. So one more point will come here. So there is a one more unit cell present on top. So if you extend, so this line, here you get the one more point. It is like a X, it is like a Y. So one more point to front side. So one more unit cell is there here. So here this is one more unit cell. So if you extend the unit cell along X, Y, Z directions around this lattice point, so you get the one more 3 new points here. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is this one 4, and this one is 5, and this one is 6. So total, so how many nearest neighbors are there for this lattice point? Total 6. So these 6 nearest neighbors are present at a distance of A. So 6 nearest neighbors are 6 nearest neighbors are present at a distance of, coordination number is 6. So coordination number is 6. In IIT exams, rarely they used to ask sum of second nearest neighbors. These are the first nearest neighbors, sum of second nearest neighbors. See here, this is the our lattice point. So these are the 1, 2, 3. These are the first nearest neighbors. So the second nearest neighbors are this one. So these are the second nearest neighbors. So from here to here, what is the length? Root 2a distance. Okay. So take this plane. So this plane, like xy plane. So it is like this. So this is our point. This is our point here. So on this plane, this is one corner, and this is one corner, and this is one corner, this corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the corner which is present diagonally. That is corner. So on this plane, total, so 4 lines. Okay, from reference point, total on this plane, total 4 nearest neighbors, second nearest neighbors are there. So like that, 3 such type of planes are there. So 3 into 4 total 12. That is why you can say the second nearest neighbors, the sum of second nearest, the sum of second nearest neighbors are 12, which are present, which are present at a distance root 2a. Now come to the FCC, face-centered cubic unit cell. So for FCC, where the atoms are present at the corners and center of the each face. So let us draw the FCC unit cell. So this is FCC unit cell. So take the 3 diagrams here. So one more diagram, 3 diagrams. So these are the FCC unit cells. So in FCC unit cell, where the lattice points are present at the center of the each face and corners. So in this FCC unit cell, I want to take this. This is the reference point. This is our reference point. For this reference point, on this plane, so these are the nearest neighbors. So these four. Let us take, this is the like on plane x-axis, like x direction. For this face centered lattice point, how many nearest neighbors are there on this plane? So total 4. So 4. Now the length of the face diagonal is root 2a. So what is the distance between these two? That is root 2a by 2. Now take the same point here, same reference point here. So for this, so if you extend the three-dimensional arrangement of this unit cells. So there is a one more unit cell present exactly beside this unit cell. I want to draw this next unit cell here. So it is present like this. So there is a one more unit cell. But this is our point here. So now, so count the number of nearest neighbors in this. So for this, it's already over. In this plane that is completed. Now for this point here, so this is the face center atom. This is also face center atom. So for this unit cell, this is the face center, and for this face, this is the face center atom. So these are the 4 nearest neighbors. So these are the 4 nearest neighbors. So this is the plane. This is the plane. So it is like if it is x, it is like it is y axis. So for this, how many nearest neighbors are there in the y plane? Total 4. So like in the same way, for third diagram, third unit cell, extend the unit cell in a 3-dimensional way. Extend here. Extend this one. So this is the unit cell. So take the same reference point. Reference point. It is present at the center. So this is our reference point. So for this reference point, there is a four nearest neighbors again in Z plane. So this one. So take the bottom like this. So these are the nearest neighbors. So this is our plane. So it is like along the Z. So for this reference point, the nearest neighbors along the Z plane is 4. So for this reference point here, this is our reference point. Along X, Y, Z, the sum of nearest neighbors are total 12. So the sum of nearest neighbors are 12. So which are present at a distance See here, I want the distance from here to here between these two. I want distance between these two. So this is the length of face diagonal. The length of face diagonal is root 2a. Then exactly it is half of the length of the face diagonal, that is root 2a by 2. So the distance between the nearest neighbors is root 2a by 2. Otherwise, in any unit cell, the closest distance is 2r. Okay. For FCC, 4r is equal to root 2a, then 2r is equal to root 2a by 2. So the closest distance in any unit cell is 2r. So that is root 2a by 2. The sum of nearest neighbors how many? 12. Hence the coordination number is. The coordination number is 12. So next one is BCC. So let us draw the BCC lattice, BCC unit cell diagram. So it is BCC. In BCC, the lattice points are present at corners and center of the unit cell. So these are the lattice points present at corners and the center of the body or center of the unit cell. Let us take this is the center of the unit cell. Okay, so if you take the center is our reference point. For center, the nearest neighbors are corner atom. So corners are the nearest neighbors for the center. So for this center, how many nearest neighbors are there total? So total 8 corners, 8 nearest neighbors are present for the center. So with respect to center reference point, center lattice point, there are total 8 nearest neighbors called as corners. So corners are present. But if we take the one corner, then for this corner, how many nearest neighbors are there? So with respect to corner point of view, so the corner is common for how many unit cells? Total 8 unit cells. So this corner, once this corner is common for 8 unit cells, every unit cell has the one center. So 8 unit cells has the 8 centers. So these 8 centers are the nearest neighbors for this corner. Okay. So total here, how many nearest neighbors are there total? So total 8. So the sum of nearest neighbors are 8, which are present at a distance. Let us find the distance. This is our reference point. from here to here. So what is the, the length of body diagonal is root 3a. Then exactly take the half of this length of body diagonal, that is root 3a by 2. So this is the distance. Hence the coordination number is, hence the coordination number is 8. In any unit cell, as I said in the previous slide, so the closest distance or nearest distance is 2r. So that is the closest distance. For BCC, the length of body diagonal is 4r. 4r is equal to root 3a. I want 2r. 2r is equal to root 3a by 2. Hence, coordination number for PC. Okay, so the lattice point in PC, what is the coordination number? 6. FCC coordination number is 12, whereas BCC coordination number is 8. So these are the conclusion points. So that's all for today's session. Thank you.